I just had a video call with a client that really explained to me probably the difference between the relationship that US people have with the accountants and the Portuguese people have with the accountants. Now, there are two things that unfortunately a lot of clients ask, and usually it's always difficult to answer. One is the recommendation for banks. Now, I worked for a bank for 18 years, and there's no good bank that I can recommend, not really. So it really depends on the specific manager of the branch. And if you don't have a good manager, I think regardless of the brand of the bank, you're always going to have a bad experience. The level of service is different. They take a lot of time. The compliance departments are through the roof. It's always very hard to approve anything. And so it's the relationship with banks here, it's always kind of a difficult one. And then they don't lend easily the money, even for businesses. I mean, I know that it's very easy in the US, for instance, to have businesses use money that the banks lend to them. It's really hard to get a loan from a bank here for a business. I mean, usually they only loan when you already don't need it, like at the end of the project, or when you already have clients, or when you've built whatever part of the investment that you needed to build. So it's really different than in the US, where I guess the I don't have a personal experience, but what my client says that they loan money for everything. They're not really afraid to lend you money. In Portugal, it's the other way around.